Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Good evening. Myself Kaveri.
Myself Nimedita.
Today assignment is
Inviting our relatives for the special program in my home. Hi Kaveri.
Hi Nivedita.
How are you?
Fine Nivedita. What about you?
I am fine.
What about your family?
They are also good. Then what about your family?
Super. Anything special Nivedita?
Yeah Kaveri. Coming Monday my parents' anniversary is here. So please come to my home.
Oh, that day I have some work Nivedita. I will try.
Please Kaveri.
Okay Nivedita. I will come.
Okay Kaveri. I will waiting for you.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome to our home.
Ma'am, I'm coming from Sadhana English Medium School. I'm Nagini Hiremata. I'm working as a science teacher in the school since 4 years.
Yes, very good, Nagini, very good. Yes, I heard your name in that school. You are a science teacher. You teach very well.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your good compliment.
Yes, welcome. What would you prefer to tea or coffee?
No, thanks, ma'am. I had already.
Okay.
Somewhere, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
okay.
don't mind it.
It's okay. What a sudden surprise.
Yeah, it is surprise for me also, ma'am. Because our school management planned for the annual day function. For that function, we would like to invite you as a dignitary, ma'am.
Oh.
Please make yourself free on that time.
On that day I have some work, Nagini.
Ma'am, please make yourself free because of our children.
Okay, I will try my level best and I try
They need your speech also.
Oh, it's my pleasure to me. Okay, I will come on that day.
Ma'am, please take this invitation.
Oh, that's good. Very good. I will come.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Don't forget to come. I will go, ma'am, to invite some other.